The Azure Databricks works across the ecosystem. We've got a data platform here that's very rich, that uses so many different aspects of the Microsoft stack. Databricks is open and orchestrate well across the different platforms.
With Azure Databricks serving as a data intelligence platform complemented with Microsoft's Power BI, the business outcome has been profound. Our use cases like annuities digital thread has had a multi-million-dollar impact on winbacks.
Unity Catalog has been a game changer for our business because now we are able to provide fine-grained control and access to our data.
After we migrated all our data and workloads onto Azure Databricks, we actually observed that on average we have nearly 30% job performance improvement.
As part of our adoption for Databricks data intelligence platform, we have observed tremendous amount of data quality improvement, faster insights by at least 25%.
Using Azure Databricks, we've actually managed to fast-track a lot of our inventory management processes today. The inventory carrying costs were significantly higher in comparison to where we stand today.
Give or take, we've got about 1,200 users of Power BI, very active. Our data engineers here, they like the platform. They like work with Azure Databricks. And that's a good thing, getting them not just familiar, but excited about the work they do.